Hey everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and on this channel I like to share natural DIYs, clean living, soap making, low-tox living, all things natural and essential oil based. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I hope you'll subscribe and stick around and become part of my community here on YouTube. You can also follow me over on Instagram, where I share a lot more natural DIYs and just clean living and essential oil content. You can find me at essentially.tanya, and yeah, I hope you'll come over there and follow me as well. So today we're going to be making a dry shampoo. Now this recipe is super easy. It takes no time to make whatsoever, and it's really affordable, and it's fairly natural. So it's a really nice alternative to the aerosol dry shampoos. And I don't know about you, but the powdered ones that you have to shake into your hair, I don't always have a lot of luck with. So I've been experimenting around with this isopropyl alcohol liquid-based one for a couple months now, and I've come up with a recipe that I really like and that has been working really well for me. I use this almost every day. I tend to have a little bit more oily hair, so this has really been helpful, and it hasn't dried out my hair or anything like that, even with the isopropyl alcohol in it. And it's nice because that alcohol does evaporate out pretty quickly, so it's not like your hair is going to be damp for very long. It's back to being dry very quickly. So what you're going to need to get started is a spray bottle of some sort. This is just one I repurposed. It's a 4-ounce spray bottle, but you could actually use a little bit smaller one if you wanted. Then we're going to go ahead and add in, oh, that's not going to work. We're going to try to add in, without spilling it, 4 tablespoons of isopropyl alcohol. And I already spilled some, but that's okay. It wipes up very easily. I should have got a better funnel before I started, but that is okay. Then next I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of micellar water. Now you're going to want to find the cleanest one you can. This one is oil-free and fragrance-free, so it makes it really nice for using in a dry shampoo. Micellar water lifts oil and dirt off of the surface and doesn't have to be rinsed out, so it's really a perfect ingredient to use in a dry shampoo. I did some research on it, and it doesn't add any sort of greasiness to your hair. I've really liked how it's been working. I'm just going to eyeball 4 tablespoons of this into the container. We'll see if I can do a better job than I did with the isopropyl alcohol. That looks good there. So it's basically just equal parts isopropyl alcohol and micellar water. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder. This kind of just helps with absorbing things as well. It's not going to leave any sort of white cast in your hair. You just want to make sure you shake the bottle up really well before you use it each time, and that kind of distributes the arrowroot powder back out into the rest of the liquid. Alright, so we're going to get this added in. You probably have to give it a little tap to get it all in there. Alright, so I have the arrowroot powder all in here. And next I'm going to add in 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is a great oil for your hair and your scalp. It's going to help keep it healthy. It helps with any sort of dryness or scalp irritation. So it's a really great essential oil to use in a dry shampoo. Oh, 6, but perfectly okay. And then next I'm going to add in lavender. Lavender is also great for soothing your scalp. It's also going to help balance out the rosemary. Rosemary is a very herbaceous smell, and the lavender is going to help tone that down a little bit while being good for your hair at the same time. So just 5 drops of that as well. And that is all there is to it. It's, like I said, super simple. You just put your lid on, give it a shake to redistribute everything in there. And then when you want to use it, you just lightly spray it on your hair and on the underside, and then kind of work it in there. And it's literally going to be dry in less than a minute. So natural DIY to do at home, super affordable. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, leave a comment down below and let me know how you liked it. And take care, and until next time, bye.